Let's show you outside. You know, one of the things that surprised me is that today's not an ozone action day. The air quality improving a bit, mainly because of the wind speeds. I think if you have winds moving, it really makes a difference. You can still see some of that haze out there right now. And even into the downtown skyline, you can see it. So let's check air quality, and I'll show you that we have improved from yesterday. We're up to moderate, while Austin, Georgetown, where there's another sensor, are still at unhealthy for sensitive group status. Houston even improved to moderate. Temperature 100, but it feels like 103. And that's because the dew point has gone up to 65. And see those 14-mile-an-hour winds? That's why we don't have an ozone action day. But again, with the dew point climbing, this is the difference today, is that we're feeling the humidity. So the feels like is even as high as 107 at Seguin, 104 at Gonzales, Floresville, Pleasanton, 109s down I-35, 108 Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass 109. Wow. Now, the humidity is only climbing from here. It's going higher into the 60s Thursday, 70s by Friday, and staying there. So with this kind of humidity increasing, expect the same tomorrow afternoon. 105 to 106 on what it'll feel like Thursday, 108 to 109, Cotulla and spots southwest, as high as 106 again to even 110 as we get into Friday afternoon. And I would expect the same on Saturday. That's why this excessive heat warning not only stays in effect through 9 p.m. tonight, but the advisory will probably be issued for Thursday. Take a look at what we're expecting. 102 tomorrow. That would break a record from 2022 at 98. Then it's going to get close the next couple of days. At Friday, 99. Saturday, 99. Might not break that record of 100 from 2022. The high starting to slide east and over the Gulf of Mexico. That'll give us a little bit of relief, but not by much. I mean, we're still going to be hitting at least 99 over the weekend. Some Pick City forecasts. New Braunfels, you're hitting 101 tomorrow. Hazy sunshine, but it'll feel like 106. Hello to Hondo. The Owls will climb to 102 Thursday. Hazy sunshine. Again, the heat is on. 14-day forecast. Take a look at what we've got tomorrow. Here in the city, 102. South winds will continue through Friday, Saturday. Breezy at times, and that should keep up the air quality. So we shouldn't have to worry about ozone action days with at least a little bit of a breeze in the forecast. But we're back to triple-digit heat to start next week, Sunday, Monday. But what we're also back to next week, rain chances. 20% Tuesday, 30% Wednesday the 21st, and then you can even see a pair of 99s to wrap up next work week. Saturday and Sunday looking pretty good with, again, too hot, too early in the forecast, Sarah.